Can you win 2 gold medals in the same event? I mean, 2 separate person, 2 separate individual winning gold medals in the same event. Yes, it can happen. Watch my video till the end. Hi guys, this is Forza Meyya. It's a pleasure to meet you in my next video. Alright, with the recent Olympics, there was one event where they actually awarded 2 gold medals for the same event. Usually it's common for 1 gold medal, 1 silver medal, 1 bronze medal for a particular event. But in this particular event, they awarded 2 gold medals. Of course, 2 separate individuals, right? But they awarded 2 gold medals for that particular event. The event is high jump. And the gold medal winners were Mutaz, Essa, Barshim from Qatar and Gianmarcio, right? Hope I pronounced the name correctly. Gianmarcio from Italy, right? So both of them has won gold medal in the recent Tokyo Olympics in high jump event. So let me explain how this thing took place. Gianmarcio and Mutaz Essa Ibrahim, alright, or in short you call Mutaz, and the other guy Gianmarcio. These guys has been friends since childhood, alright, because they have been competing in the same event since their younger days, youth time, alright. So they know each other, they share more than sports, their personal experience and stuff. So what happened was, Mutaz is someone who has won bronze medal in the London 2012 Olympics, and thereafter in 2016 Mutaz won silver, and of course in Tokyo people will be expecting him to win the gold medal, alright, and he has been consistent on the podium finishing in the World Championship and the Diamond League. Whereas Gianmarcio, he was training hard for Rio Olympics, and just few weeks before the Rio Olympics he got injured. Alright, basically his leg was plastered. I think he got fractured his ankle. Alright, so basically his leg was plastered, so he couldn't take part. He has to pull out from the Rio Olympics. Imagine if you're working hard for Olympics, especially for a event which comes only 4 years once. So he was working hard and he has missed. So he was, of course, obviously very sad, depressed, and Mutaz knew about it. Okay, but nevertheless he didn't give up. He came back, he started training again. They took part in the World Championship and stuff. So when it came to the actual championship day, obviously they jumped, they cleared all their heights. Okay, so came 2.37 and they cleared. Apart from these 2, there were other 3 of them also cleared, so there were 5 of them. Then the final height was 2.39 meters, and all these 5 athletes failed. Okay, so in high jump, usually what they will do is they will do a recount. So how many failure attempts you had. So the other 3 athletes, apart from Gianmarcio and Mutaz, the others, they had more failure attempts. You know, in a particular height you are allowed to jump 3 times. So if first time you fail, you are allowed for second time. If the third time you fail, then you are out. Okay, so obviously the other athletes, they had more failures. It means they had failed to clear the first time or the second attempt kind of thing. But Mutaz and Gianmarcio, they were consistent. They were clearing all their heights until 2.37 they cleared. Okay, so obviously now when you are tied, okay, so what the rule says is they need to go for a jump off. You mean one-off jump. If any of them clears, then the person who cleared it wins. So the next height was actually 2.39, but obviously both of them couldn't clear. So the umpire or the referee, you know, he went and asked them, okay, now we will do a jump off if you all prefer, alright, because you all are tied. Okay, and what Mutaz did, you see, he could have just said, alright, let's go for a jump off. I just want to ensure I win the gold medal and he loses, right? But you know what he did? He asked the referee or the umpire, can we share the medal? It means, can you award 2 gold medals? The referee said yes. And there goes. Mutaz just nod his head, and the rest was celebration, the rest was history. So people are asking, both of you from different countries, you could have just easily go for a jump off and knock him off. You know, either one. Either the Italian beat the Qatari or the Qatari beat the Italian. But this one Mutaz said, it is more than the event. Why do I need to win by beating another person or bringing down another person? Both of us are already at the same level. And both of us have a chance to celebrate together. And it's a celebration not only for the winning, but also for our friendship. Because they've been friends for so long. And this is what we call the unity. So the unity in diversity was there. And that's what they did. And Mutaz knew that Gianmarcio was also struggling at the initial stage with his slight injury and stuff. And of course, if he would have gone for the one-off, he might have won, right? But nevertheless, both of them has more events to come. So why not? And by awarding both of them, it's a win-win situation. Alright, so just like what Stephen Covey said, win-win situation. Rather than killing another person, why don't you just lift up the person, win together? And that's what they did, they won together. So this is the thing, advice I would like to say. Rather than for you to win, it's not necessarily you need to beat another person. You can also pull another person together with you and you can finish it together, and that's also winning. That's what we call a winning team, right? So they didn't only win gold medal, they won their friendship, they won the unity. And of course, they won people's heart, right? So obviously this thing will be remembered, and that's what they won. A feeling which is everlasting. So winning is not the only thing. There's more than winning. So think of beyond winning. Till then, take care.